So we're here at the first robot building, whatever you call it. So we're building robots here, building robots. That's Andres. Say what's up, Andres. What's up?
Hey guys. For this trek into DIY tech, it's actually going to be a look into the Makerspace Forsyth Archives. And so back in the day, I was running a makerspace for a while. And I didn't know that I liked teaching at that point, but after running the makerspace for a while, I learned a lot, probably a lot more than I was teaching. And also, you know what? It was an experience that I wouldn't trade for anything. It was very hard because we didn't have much funding. As a matter of fact, I probably used up all of my retirement keeping the makerspace going for a while. But the point of showing you this video is because this video is very early on. As a matter of fact, I think it was the first event we did. And I felt like this might be for somebody out there. Sometimes you think you're doing a lot of stuff, and sometimes you think it's not having any effect, or it's for nothing, but it certainly is for something. We did this event, and you'll see what it is. We were putting together these robots, and this one little girl that came to the event, she was there, and she was quick. She put this thing together faster than anybody else, faster than even the guy that probably designed the robot. And so I came around the tables, I'm checking everybody's progress, and I was like, oh, you finished? And she said, yeah, I got it done. And I said, okay, now take that and show your neighbor how to do it. And she had this look on her face like, can I really do that? And I said, sure, teach your neighbors how to do this. You've gotten it done, so pass that knowledge on, teach your neighbors how to do this. And she was so she just lit up. And that was the moment when I realized, like, yeah, this is a lot of work, but it is completely worth it to keep doing this. All right, now I'll let you guys watch the video.
Oh, there he goes. Check him out.
Dude, you said it the wrong way. We need to twist it. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
I think mine's going to do the same thing, but I'm not sure. Yeah, he looks like he's limping a little bit.
I don't think it's supposed to do that.
You know what I'm thinking is probably because one of the legs is off the battery, yeah, or the motor rather. Probably will have to.
My thing came undone. Could you give me mine?
Pulling parts. There he goes. Oh, Mayday. BattleBot Mania. Run, Skiz, run! Oh, you scared him, man. You scared him. Uh-oh.